take a couple of breaths. Just take a few breaths. Just, feel it out. Okay. So how you want to play an instrument, on any instrument at all, is that you're going to want to breathe as if you're breathing through your belly button and without your shoulders moving up. So if you do like this, that's going to constrict your air and your spine, making it harder for you to hold an instrument and also to breathe enough to play notes. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take a deep breath, and keep making sure that your shoulders stay flat and don't move. So, can you do that? Take a deep breath through your belly button, through your mouth. Good. Okay, let's do a couple more. Good. Your shoulders aren't moving. That's good. Okay. So from here, we're going to transfer how we're learning to breathe onto how to play the flute. So we're going to open our cases, being careful and making sure that the logo is facing upwards, because if you have the logo facing downwards, you're going to open your flute case and the flute's going to fall out and break. So don't do that. So you're going to open your latches and open the lid. And you're going to take your head joint, which is this one that doesn't have any keys on it at all. So you're going to pick it up carefully, and the way you're going to hold it, you're going to have the head joint closer to your left hand.
Okay.
You're going to have your chin plate closer to your left hand.
Okay.
Which is this part right here. This big empty space is going to be your chin plate. The hole is called your embouchure hole, which is where you're going to blow your air through and make sounds.
Okay.
So you're going to hold your left hand, you're going to put your left hand on the end of this, right near your chin plate.
Okay.
Just like that. That's good. And then your right hand, you're going to hold it like this. You're going to make an L. You're going to do like this.
Okay.
Good. That's good. Okay. So we're going to take what we learned from breathing, which, demonstrated again, is breathe through your belly button. And making sure that your shoulders don't move.
Okay.
Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to place your mouth over the embouchure hole, completely covering it. Now you're going to roll down, and your chin will be directly placed on the chin plate, which is why it's called the chin plate. And if you're accurate enough, you should be able to feel a bit of the edge of the embouchure hole underneath your bottom lip. Do you feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So for right now, that's how we're going to place our embouchure, is rolling down onto the chin plate.
Okay.
Okay. So the way we want our embouchure to look is we're gonna articulate, or we're going to say the word poo.
Poo.
Poo. Poo. And the way that feels is the way your embouchure is going to feel. So it's going to be kind of like a circle. So instead of completing the word, you're going to say poo.
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 Mm-hmm.
Poo.
And make sure it's a circle. Poo.
Poo.
Mm-hmm. It's good. And that's how you're gonna set up. You're gonna think of the word poo.
Okay.
And have the circle, and that's how you're gonna place your embouchure. That's how your embouchure is gonna look.
Okay.
Now instead of saying poo when you blow through the head joint, we're gonna say two.
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 Okay. So place your head joint, the embouchure hole being over your mouth. Roll down. Think of the word poo. Poo. Yeah.
Poo.
Okay. And now we're going to take a deep breath through our belly button.
Okay.
And then we're going to let it out. Yeah. So, now, instead of just letting it out, we're going to say poo, and it's going to be you're going to breathe across your embouchure hole.
Okay.
So you're going to take a deep breath, and you're going to say, there you go.
Okay.
Good job. So yeah, that's how a sound is made. Is you're going to take a deep breath through your belly button, making sure that your shoulders don't move,
Okay.
and saying two. And when you you say two, you're going to make sure that your tongue is hitting the back of your teeth.
Okay.
The top teeth. So it's kind of like you're spitting rice. Which is also how you articulate. Articulate is when you stop the air
With your tongue.
with your tongue. Exactly.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's how you do it.
Okay.
So we're going to make another sound on our head joint. Place it, roll it down. This time we're going to do a couple of notes at a time. So we're going to go,
Okay.
okay? So, repeat after me. That's good, that's good. Just make sure your articulation was really good, but make sure that your embouchure is circling,
Okay.
is a circle.
Okay.
So do it again.